Morning, children. Today I'm going to discuss about the macro. As you all know that a macro is a saved sequence of commands and keystrokes which are used for later use. Okay. So what is the definition for this? A macro is a saved set of commands. Okay. A macro is a saved sequence of commands or keystrokes that are stored for later use. Now, we will see how to use this macro. Okay. Now, see here. This is the uh, normal data. So that is principal amount 5000, rate 10, time 2, like this. Okay. So same. I want to copy here in some other sheet. That is sheet 3. Okay. Now, what I want to do here, I want to calculate this interest. Okay. The same thing will reflected to sheet 3 without applying the formula. One that is. Another one, I will use some couple of formatting styles. Okay. So simple, I just increased the size as 14 font size. Before that, okay. So you know that a macro is nothing but it is a saved sequence of commands or keystrokes which are used for later use. Now, thus, for suppose in the future also, I use this formula for this. Okay. Again, I want to calculate the again simple interest. Already it is there here, same functionality. So without again writing the formula, we can do that with the help of this macro. So click on the tools. Okay, click on the macros, click on record macro. Okay, after then I will apply some formatting styles also. I'm applying for this as a border, and I will apply, I want to increase the font style as 14, and I'll give the bold also. Okay, now these are all the some of the styles I applied. Now see, center also I kept it. Okay, this one no need to center, only value should be centered, this one left only. Okay, now here I'm applying, everything is recording. Now while you are recording, don't do any undo and all. Okay, if you do, if anything that will be undone means again the macro won't be recorded properly. So at a stretch you have to produce the steps properly. Okay, now simple interest, you know that principal amount into rate into time by 100. Same I want to do that. B1 star. Okay, this is B2 star, this is B3 divided by 100%. So that's it, my macro is over. So stop and save this as a macro. This is macro for simple interest. Okay, so I'm giving macro simple interest. Okay, save. Now it is saved under the module 1. Okay, click save. It is saved. Now I'll go to the sheet 3. Now what I want to do, I want to apply the same macro for this. Okay, here also I want to find the simple interest. Okay, for that again click on the tools. Okay, click on the macro. Okay, in this run macro, click on the run macro. Already that is stored in the module 1, the standard module 1. Here simple interest, click run. See, automatically some formatting styles are applied and formula also applied. Yes or not? So this is nothing but macro. Hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.